Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change Opay phone number. So first thing you have to do is open up your Opay app and you have to log in. So once you log in, you're going to actually click on home to be on home if you're not on home. Yes, so once you do that, you're going to click on where it says me right here. Click on me and you're going to click on settings right here. Click on settings and sorry, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to click on my profile. Click on my profile and you're going to click on mobile number, which is a phone number. And you're going to wait and you can see what all these instructions are saying. So you may update your phone number if you no longer use this number or you have lost access to it. So once you've read all the instructions, you can just click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, you're going to enter the new phone number you want to change to, and once you click on the new phone number you want to change to, all your informations, your account number is going to turn to the new phone number you're going to input, and any SMS message is going to be sent to the new phone number as well. And literally you can check your account balance using the new phone number. So once you do it, they're going to do a verification and you are good to go. So this is literally how to change Opay phone number on Opay. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.